So y'all, if y'all are wondering what I'm doing, okay, so I did let this soak in baking soda for a little while, and then I let the water out. So now I am taking each individual piece. I'm looking at it, make sure there's not like any bug eggs and shit that's on the back of it, picking it off, and then I'm gonna rinse it off. Make sure I get all the dirt off. And then once I do that, I'm gonna peel off like the stem or whatever, but you know, you can use it if you want to. So I'll put it in there so I can wash it again in the pot, and then I'm gonna cut it up. Do it your way, but I like to make sure all the dirt and all the bad parts is out. If you don't do this, I'm gonna eat your brains. Okay, all done, y'all. Look at all that disgustiness. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse these one more time, even though I already rinsed them off individually, and I'm gonna get them cut. Snap it. The turnip with my mustard and collard greens. Got it peeled. I got one more. Okay, so I have a little bit of water in there, and I'm going to use some of this concentrate, y'all. Just a little bit. Okay, again, y'all see that? Right there. Watch. Oh, that's fine. Put that hair on because I don't like hair. No type of hair. See that white thing? That's a turkey. I guess the feathers be in that. I'm about to find out what that is. Alexa, the feathers of a turkey be in what? What the? I don't know that. Oh, Alexa says she don't even know it, y'all. Let's discard this, and this is the leftover meat. Meat all picked. Concentrate on top. I'm just gonna put some meat in there. It's looking good already, y'all, and I haven't even started cooking it yet. And then this is for the cabbage, some concentrate, and then some turkey tail. I'm going to put this in container for the greens for next month. Okay, cabbage chopped and clean. Let's get that added. Here you go. Jeremiah brought marshmallows to make candied yams.